Is the EasyPeasy bot really an easy way to earn $5 per minute as some claims, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this free Telegram bot that you can actually use to earn some extra money online completely without investment. But I've seen some crazy claims about it, and that's also why many people have asked me about. So therefore I decided to test it myself, and in this EasyPeasy bot review I will show you exactly how it works and show the pros and the cons and show you the real truth, so you know what you can really expect before deciding whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's just start by the claim that I have seen and that many other people also have seen. That's why so many people have asked me, because they see here that this bot pays you $5 a minute from a specific YouTuber there. And therefore I of course decided to test it, because it always, you know, I love testing different ways, free ways to make money online and also ways to build full-time income and all that. And this definitely sounded interesting. But before you join, just because you think this sounds really great, you need to know all the details, because unfortunately, not everyone on YouTube or online in general tells you the full truth. So let's just go over that, and we can start by just going over the basics of what EasyPeasy is. And it is real enough. It is a way where you can earn without investment. It is free. You can join basically from every country you see. It's available to everyone. And it is a Telegram bot. So you would just go to the website, you could click to start earning, and then it would open up a page here where you can then click, and then you can join the Telegram channel. So let me just jump in that now, and then I can show you how you would earn, and then we'll of course also go into this claim about how much can you earn and all that. So when the Telegram opens, this is basically it. You just click there to start, and then this will show up, and then you need to click here to start earning. And then this one will open up here. So it's actually not inside the Telegram bot itself you're earning. This is a little bit confusing why it even takes you from the web to a Telegram bot to then opening basically a web browser again, or like a kind of an app here. So, you know, that's just a little bit confusing. But anyways, let's go over how you can then earn. And you can see there's these tasks, there's the videos, and there's surfing. So the tasks, let's start by going over those. And you can see there are some different ones here, and there's like different ones where you need to, for example, leave a comment on YouTube. And first of all, I don't like tasks like that where it helps manipulate the algorithms. You know, that's something you have to be very careful participating in, first of all, because sometimes it's like actually helping people doing unethical things to rank, and you're also manipulating, which goes against the terms, and you can also have your account closed. So, you know, there's some things about that I really don't like. And at the same time, you need to connect your YouTube account to your EasyPeasy bot account. And personally, that's something that I would definitely not feel safe about, just because, you know, I don't know enough about it to be able to connect my account. Like, that just feels a little bit suspicious to me. That's just my personal opinion. You know, if you have another opinion, feel free to share the comment below. I'm just sharing my opinion about this, my experiences based on 8 years of making money online. So these tasks here like this is something that I really would not really do, and also it really does not pay you a lot. You can see you would earn these 30 lemons there. We'll go over the value of that a little bit later. But there are also other ways to earn. You can see, for example, watching videos there. It says new videos appear every hour, so you can watch more than 1,000 videos per day. So again, here you would just need to click it to open it, and then video would open here, and it says you can start the video and wait when the timer is over. But the thing is, it doesn't really work for me because it doesn't count down, and if I click to start it, nothing really happens. I don't know, maybe that's just me. For me, it doesn't work, nothing happens. But I would also never do this again. Why would you watch like random videos like this here? It's meant to create fake views and all these different things that, in my opinion, is something you should just stay away from. And even if you just look at the earning potential, you would earn 6 lemons, which is like basically nothing, as you will learn about later. The last option here is where you can get paid for visiting websites. So it's basically like pay to click, if you know about that. I also have a video about the best pay to click sites where you actually click ads and earn. I will leave a link in the top corner for that. But in general, it's not something that will earn you a lot, but you can see here, I need to wait 30 seconds, and this actually works for me. So it does take a little bit of patience. Again, whether it's worth it, again, we'll talk about the value of this in just a bit. I just want to show you here what happens. Then once this is over, you would need to do this little capture there, and and then you can go to the website, you can go to the next website, and then again you will have to wait 30 seconds. When I first came here and joined there, I only got 3 lemons. It does depend on the ad, but overall it's not a lot. We will go over now the value. First, there's just one more way where you can boost your earnings we just need to talk about before we talk about the full earning potential here and how much the lemons are worth. So there is a way to earn more, and that is upgrading your membership level, but you can see here you would need to just keep earning. So you would need to earn 20,000 to reach the next levels there. You can, reach up to these levels here where you will get some extra bonuses when you earn. But you can also see to this level here, for example, you would need to earn 3.5 million lemons, and you can see most of the tasks give something like 3, 8, maybe maximum 10, a few times maybe 30 of these lemons there. So that will definitely take a lot of patience. But let's now then talk about how you can actually get paid and how much these lemons are worth. So when you go to the withdrawal section, you can see that you can take out via Payout there, and then you would need to earn 50,000 lemons, and there's a few other options you can use. So some of the options are quite good. There's some cryptos there, and in general you can see 50,000 for Doge, for example, there. So it's not high, and for some it's even lower there, but because 10,000 is only $1, so it's actually only a payout threshold of around $5 for Doge, for example, but the lowest is $2. So not a high payout threshold, but you can also see that it will take a lot of patience, and you need to be aware there is a 4% fee when you withdraw, so you won't get the full amount. That's very important to be aware of also. And this fee can also vary depending on your method. You can see, for example, here it is 5% that will charge, so be aware of that also. But let's now then talk about the overall earning potential of this. So as you can see, you need to earn 10,000 lemons to earn $1, and the task there, most of them, for watching the ads, you see the videos didn't really work for me. These other tasks is something that I personally would stay away from. And then you have these viewing the ads there where you can earn, in my experience I earned mainly 3 lemons there, but again you would probably need to watch, depending on how much you earn, between 2.5 and 3,000 of these ads to earn just $1. And let's just say that it takes 30 seconds per ad, as it then generally did. Then of course they also have, you have these captures you need to solve, and you just need to move on to it and all that there. There's no guarantee that it won't take a little bit longer, but let's just say 30 seconds. That still means that you would need, depending on how much you would earn per ad and all that, to spend somewhere between 20 and 28 hours to earn $1 if you were just sitting there clicking these ads. And of course there won't also be that many ads that you can just do that, but just think about it, how ineffective that is. Let's just say in a best case scenario that you could earn $1 in 20 hours of just clicking their ads there. I don't even think that can cover the electricity you would spend on doing that, and how tiring that would also be. So this claim that some people have seen and have asked me because they were very excited about the earning opportunity but couldn't quite figure out how it works, that you can earn $5 per minute. No, that's complete BS. That is not true. Maybe if you invite thousands of users, then maybe, because they also have a referral program, but as a regular user, it's definitely not possible on a platform like this. Yes, it is a platform where you can earn, you can get paid, it has some decent payout options, but the rewards you get, in my opinion, are just too low. But if you do think it sounds interesting, then it can be something you can try. It is free to join. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and in general be critical when you see these videos, because this is also to educate you. When you see these claims, to be critical, analyze it, and be aware that some people, they don't tell you the full truth. So that's something you definitely need to, in general, notice here online. But I also do have some other information about other ways, for example, where you can earn on Telegram and make money there. I'll leave a link below there that explains more about different options. I also have a list on my website of the best reward apps, more effective ways to earn a little bit of extra money completely for free. I'll also leave a link to that. And finally, I actually do have a Telegram channel myself. It's not a Telegram channel where you make money as such, but in a way you do, because I share daily tips and tricks there, also sometimes exclusive tips there. So that's of course also completely free to join if you want some extra small tips and tricks there. I'll leave a link to that below also. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.